Level up your life in 2025. Fun and easy steps to build confidence and set big goals. Rebuild your confidence, set powerful goals, and take control of your future in 2025. Ready to transform your life in 2025? Whether you're bouncing back from a setback like job loss, or simply looking for ways to improve your confidence, mindset, and future, this video is packed with actionable tips, real-life examples, and humor to keep things fun and exciting. In this video, we'll cover how to rebuild your confidence after a tough setback, the emotional impact of life changes and how to process those feelings, how to create a vision for 2025, and set smart goals you can actually achieve. Plus, I will share how my coaching services can guide you through every step, offering personalized support, masterclasses, and a community to keep you motivated. Let us make 2025 your best year yet. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need some inspiration. And do not forget to check out my coaching program by clicking the link below. Imagine yourself standing in a bright, welcoming room with upbeat music playing in the background. Hey friends, want to make 2025 the year you take control of your life, grow stronger, and build something amazing? Whether you are bouncing back from a setback or just looking for ways to level up, I have got you covered. Today, we are talking about how to develop a growth mindset, overcome tough times, and build a future you are excited about. Plus, if you stick around till the end, I will share how my coaching program can help you create your best life. Let us dive in. Section 1. Developing a growth mindset. Imagine yourself speaking directly to the camera. You're sitting in a relaxing space, journaling and brainstorming. The problem setbacks happen to all of us, whether it is losing a job, a failed project, or just feeling stuck in life. It is easy to get discouraged and think, why me? But here is the thing. Setbacks are not roadblocks. They are stepping stones. With the right mindset, you can turn obstacles into opportunities. The solution reframes setbacks as learning opportunities. Instead of asking, why did this happen? Try asking, what can I learn from this? This simple shift can change how you see challenges. For example, take Alex, who lost his job unexpectedly. At first, he felt defeated. But after some reflection, he realized it was a chance to pursue his dream of starting a side hustle. Now, he is running a successful online business. Here an actionable step. When you face a setback, pause and ask yourself, what is one thing I can learn from this? Write it down. This helps you see challenges as opportunities for growth. Solution: to track your progress and celebrate small wins. Progress is not always about big leaps, it is about small, consistent steps forward. Celebrate those little wins, like updating your resume or completing a course. Here is a humorous tip. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. Every small task is XP. The more you do, the closer you get to the next level. Your call to action. Want help developing a growth mindset? My coaching program includes step-by-step guidance and personalized support to keep you on track. Section 2. Navigating the emotional impact of setbacks. Image yourself sitting with a cup of coffee, feeling overwhelmed, but later smiling after journaling. The problem setbacks, especially job loss, are not just professional, they are personal. It can shake your confidence and leave you questioning your worth. It's normal to feel a roller coaster of emotions, shock, anger, fear, you name it. The solution: acknowledge and process your emotions. Do not bottle up your feelings. Allow yourself to feel them. Journaling can help you process what's going on in your mind. For example, Rachel felt completely lost after being laid off. I suggested she start journaling just 10 minutes a day. It helped her process her emotions and gain clarity on her next steps. Here is an actionable step. Set aside 10 minutes each day to write down how you are feeling. It does not have to be perfect, just get your thoughts out. Solution: to separate your self-worth from your job. Remember, your job is what you do, not who you are. You have talents, skills, and qualities beyond your work. Here is a humorous tip. Think of it like this. If your job defines you, then you are officially unemployed while on vacation. Solution 3. Lean on your support system. You do not have to go through this alone. Reach out to friends, family, or a mentor. Talking things out can offer new perspectives. Your call to action. If you are struggling with the emotional toll of a setback, join my coaching program. We will work through it together. Section 3. Creating a vision for 2025. Image yourself at a whiteboard, writing down your goals for 2025. Visualize yourself achieving your dreams this year. It is all possible right now. Click the link in the description below to make it happen today. The problem, without a clear vision, it is easy to drift through life. Having a vision for your future gives you direction and purpose. The solution: set SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," say, "I'll work out 3 times a week for 30 minutes." The solution to create a vision board. A vision board is a fun way to visualize your goals. Grab some magazines, cut out images that inspire you, and stick them on a board. Seeing your goals daily keeps you motivated. For example, Mike wanted to start his own business. He created a vision board with pictures of entrepreneurs he admired, his dream office, and motivational quotes. It kept him focused, and by the end of the year, he launched his business. Solution 3: review and adjust your goals regularly. Life changes, and so do goals. Review your goals monthly and adjust them as needed. Flexibility is key. Your call to action. Ready to create a powerful vision for 2025? Join my coaching program, where we'll work together to map out your goals and make them a reality. Your call to action. Image yourself smiling, with upbeat music playing in the background. It can be all possible today. Click the link in the description below to start today. So, whether you're overcoming a setback, building a growth mindset, or creating a vision for 2025, remember, small steps lead to big changes. You don't have to do it alone. My coaching services offer personalized support, masterclasses, and a community to help you every step of the way. Click the link below to learn more and sign up. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little inspiration. Thanks for watching. You've got this.